enti Excellency Nanado na ochen nka no na ne ja no di ya pa peruli na course no judgment e buy no the 5-4 judgment na buy no he was disappointed na ya bitterly you could see say judgment no o se ankoyi ama no and he said it 2013 say judgment ruling na buy na ankoyi ama no you heard his statement ana o chire ni nsemu ana odi awerho say court pon a de me masema ba mo buagu me so so asema me de ba yi anka ehwe a lot of pink sheets any other day irregularities ekoso sanka court ne hwe nanka ye di asem ne de mame so court ne bugu me so ba ne nyina mo agitu mu ana Ghana ye to aso me da say Ghana for mo follow what I'm doing this morning na obi anya ne analysis and the observations Ghana na ada ho no asabi na ye twa ade ato ho ade bia ye bia no enti na bo say court no ma fa bibiam fa bi case study no ma go fa asem bia asi no me aba be say ruling mu no mu yusu enti ade bia ne Ghana ye every individual say we your mampanyi we your minister we your wine no wine na wo krom ha ade bia nya ye as oman Ghana no we are living what we call a precedent ye ja bibi wo man nim na den ye ja oman nim no me anopei me masema meka de etietia but nyankrofo eka na me ja na didi a kire wo na so watie na so afema ba ye nyina ye kire oman na ye use ne ye be kire oman na fa na ebra justice eni yebo echo veteran yenti ono so he was part of the judges 2013 no more Supreme Court only ruling by the four which were not in favor of the judgment na okaho na oba veteran yebusa no ana say anka ono de a anka yenko run off because of the irregularities so during the elections yenko te justice enin yeboa ebra okọ veteran honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa etoto na no yentie sha nkomo ne bi.
This case is perhaps in this Fourth Republic the most high profile case, the election petition case, which engaged the attention of this nation for well over 8 months, and judgment spanning 588 pages was delivered. But in my research preparing for today, I noticed that you stand out as delivering the most far-reaching judgment. We recall it was a 5-4 decision. You were in the minority, dissenting with JVM Doche, his lordship, who advocated a rerun only in affected polling stations. Justice Julius Ansah also advocated a rerun in only affected polling stations. You can find that on page 101 of the judgment. And Justice R.C. Owusu also, in dissenting with you, advocated for a rerun where votes are to be annulled. The petition succeeds in part. You can find that on page 232 of the judgment. But my lord, you alone appear to order an entire rerun of the presidential elections. Page 505 of the judgment, you said, and I quote, "I would therefore grant the relief, 1, in view of the evidence led, and decline to grant relief, 2. I, however, as consequential order the second respondent, that is the Electoral Commission, to organize an election to elect a president, as I cannot rely on an election which was seriously fraught with all the malpractices, irregularities, and statutory violations proved in this petition, to declare the first petitioner as having been duly elected." Many analysts have said that this judgment you gave did not consider the public good, the stability of the country, how this could have really derailed our peace and stability of this country. How do you react to that, being that you were clearly the only one who stood out in this judgment?
Please, it's a misconception, Mr. Chairman. Please, what I did was that if you look at where the statutory infractions occurred, there was no way President Mahama and the current president could have obtained 50 plus 1. And what is the Constitution saying? It says, what it says, that if you do not have 50 plus 1 of the elected, 50% plus 1 of the valid elected votes cast, you cannot be declared president. But people are making a meal out of this. So therefore, if you look at the pinches which were affected, if you go for the 49-3, nobody had the 50 plus 1, 50% plus 1. None of them. So obviously, the Constitution is telling us that you have to conduct fresh elections, and it could be conducted only in places where there were statutory infractions. Even the petitioners were not quarreling with most of the constituencies and most of the polling booths. Yes, they were not quarreling with them, because you cannot say that, oh, as for this constituency or polling booth, there was nothing wrong with it, but I'm still going to order rerun or revoting or whatever. That would be wrong, because they themselves are not complaining. They themselves are not complaining. People must be very, very analytical. We in Ghana couldn't have denied ourselves of the president. Yes, but by virtue of the fact that the elections, to me, was fraught with serious illegalities and even constitutional illegality, I would advocate that the judgment should be read as a whole, because whichever way you look at it, none of them, the two contestants, could have obtained 50% plus 1. So obviously, we couldn't have lived without a president, and the EC was enjoined by the Constitution to have conducted fresh elections in the area affected. Yes, and mind you, the area affected, the police stations affected, were far below half of the areas which were not affected. Yes, of the 26,000 police stations or whatever, they were quarreling with about 11,000. If my memory, puts me on the right track, they were quarreling with about 11,000. So obviously, the 15,000 or whatever were left.
And we are still live on Next TV. Morning Max and Jumedi and I want really good Uti Justice and Niabua Okoverton. But then on the line, my main call man is when I'm the lawyer, Aben, and Concodi in Comona, Yenjin the Moon Kaka. Council, good morning. Council, good morning. Hello? Lawyer Aben. Lawyer, good morning. Hello. Okay, lawyer until yanka muguswa hwese sabe kan lawyer na afi yale lawyer edi enkomo na afi niema kakribi a ese yetimi esuade eyifi wo no na yetimi aye. Lawyer, good morning.
Good morning.
Apo mako dia. Yedi enkomo na ache kakra. Okay, lawyer, because of running chino, me say yesua o kire ade kakra ba ko mienu bi on the election petition. Okay. Ni edi kan say you can say fair hearing na de ba de.
Okay, fair hearing. Say we are comfortable. Papa, no. If you have been on the no yes, definitely for bring of your petition and they were responded. The experience matters. The matter of your very if you hear them, okay, the power of this now come out. Now the amount of opportunity now come out. Not any one-sided. Any one-sided.
Yeah, Matthias here.
Rules of course. And now, yeah, they have to speak to them.
Now, okay. Now, lawyer, you can say fair trial, no, so I know so you're there.
A trial, we use They had the same week. Try ahead the same.
Okay. Now, lawyer, one interesting thing is, sir, the law of subpoena, no, they bad here. Hello, lawyer. Hello. Okay, lawyer Homano, here say ibetimi ensaka lawyer na afei watimi akyerɛkyerɛ ni ma mbako mienu bi na afei yate ase nti ye de ka asɛm ani ehu asɛm na ye ka no na yate ase eye lawyer otemenka. Hello, lawyer otemenka. Okay, mo hwe na mo sanso frɛ lawyer bi na afei ye ntisa nkomo ne fanfi ho but utie vertina na ekoso a justice ani yebo a no answer questions na his lordship justice ani yebo a na oka se ono ni ruling no unya abote na hwe ni ruling na even time na the petitioner any the party person mo join that case that time omo the rulings by he was against the ruling said they will be the joiner, they will join the case. Or the ruling by say he dismisses say why they will join the case. Now, utie vertin in some na oka. Ono no there, ushe 26,000 police stations na almost 11,000 na every people court say anomalies be a so a anka ono no there nka yenye fresh elections because according to him 50 plus 1 vote no obi enya. And no one go for busa question say his lordship that time how did you do your calculations? Where were the numbers are? Would they justify say obi enya 50 plus 1 vote? These are the questions. Because if you are calling an election a null and void election for a rerun per the basis say obi enya 50 plus 1 vote at that time what was the basis? Is it per say irregularities in Abentino obi enya 50 plus 1 vote? I don't know nature saying these are some of the questions. But then you can go social media on Twitter nyana ekoso yenhwe nkomo kakra na ekoso enti Alfred yenhwe na inyalo ya so na afi ye de lawyer remu na ya tin nkomo kakra de fi ho we heard about current B or say Supreme Court I think should be interested in unraveling the truth behind the changing figures and other claims made. The legal gymnastics must end with a clear indication of justice and truth being upheld. I am failing to see this so far. Obidio Adiabano, no. You hear the next person. Where Josh Wells, you know, the NDC and its legal team, led by the Venerable Chachuchi Kata, have said the EC, the Supreme Court, unanimous FC, that is how he called them, unanimous FC, and how the media haven't been fair to them. A wise man once said, if everyone is crazy, maybe you are the one insane. Or the abandon. You heard the next person. I say, now all MPP folks are law scholars. So what happens to their high knowledge in law in 2013? Honestly, they are or the about Obisa and so on. Where they about say, Kofi no say, they say the public want EC chairperson to testify. So the bench should make this happen by all means. The bench is there to serve the interest of the nation, and the nation want Madam Jane Mensah to take the stand. Why are they denying the request of the nation? And also they are or the Abba and so and no. You sure the next person. Simon Kwesi Asare about say the petitioners should have used the MPP approach in 2013 if they wanted to get Jane Mensah to testify. Let's move on to the next one. Or say the worst Chief Justice we have had in the Fourth Republic is Enin Yeboah. He has been very poor on the job, and history shall remember him for that. In any serious country, such a person wouldn't go near the Supreme Court, but we have made him a Chief Justice, leading a unanimous FC. Onosone dia or the Aba Ensono Ekojan. Now, with the Aba casting or same. One day, I will tell my children that this smart woman called Jane Mensah prepared tea for her enemy without biscuit. Onosone dia or the Aba Enono. With the Aba young positivist or same. So after 3 witnesses by John Mahama, Chachuchi Keta still want this woman to help them win their case against her own self. This is the biggest joke of the year. Or the Abba and no. The next one I say, even if the petitioner files that water is wet, unanimous FC at the Supreme Court will still dismiss that claim. Hey, well, similar happened in 2013 election. Yanko I say ni Shukura and the Abba I say, but I don't understand though. Why is that anytime John Mahama and his lawyers bring something new to the case, them they reject or no or the Eba and no. I'm sure a couple of them now for since this case started, results so far, Akoto Ampao 7, Chachuchi Keta 1. Any objection Akoto Ampao raises comes with heavy legal backing, unlike Chachu the grammarian. You can also hashtag election petition. You can call the justices unanimous FC. They are doing the right thing. You hear the next one. I'll say unanimous FC with a great coach. Congratulations. Not even Basa 2009 squad can defeat this team. Chachuchi Keta should just back out. He has done his best. And also kakra apa and on yemfa last two no now for yemfa NCL hop. Interestingly, where they are I say my good friend Dr. Ayini spoke like a typical NDC serial caller after what is that? The court proceedings. His attack on the Supreme Court judges and journalists was unnecessary. Last one no near the sea. Or say lawyer Akoto Ampao, forever my Ghana is lucky and blessed to have you. Tell them we will change the week after this petition. And this also and our trader obianso ADM kobo and home. But you see near Ekosono. Memo akwenya no join me numbers no air activated 0542251311 0206884795 na nka me hwese betime nya lawyer na afi ye din komo na mabusa na ensem bi but then issue ye ye beka enkomo kakra ewomum mame enko lawyer Fatima Abuba ka enso dia or the atoho eno or say court of law versus court of public opinion. In the court of law, the name of the game is evidence. You come to court with it. You don't come to court looking for it. In the court of public opinion, all you need are half truths, lies, rumors, and propaganda. So this has been some of the conversations but near in the court of law and in the court of public opinion saying na enso eka na emra no so agimi enu nyina atum ana se emra na gini nyina atuma. What has been the court of law and what has been the court of opinion? My observation kakra say now Andrew ruling a buy e say opiema nyana petitioner and the council led by Chachuchi Keta eka nyina say anka omo sere court no na nka omasanso bia omu case ni biem na omu bia omu case ni biem a ni omu bese omu ye ne se ene court no omu use term say an adverse witness omu kwa fa dansini bi e de aba dansini ni so omu ne e ba no ne se ba be kan nyina so no it's like the opposite to theirs but they use ono na sem no e de e omas adansi die ene na court ne say enye ye esan se anka ogina da kemu die a anka metime yusu no but they say onjina da kemu ono so a ohwe emrem a onye ontimi nya dansini enfa mamo ontimi nya dansini fa mamo and in the very case so I work court no she as a person onye obi a ya saman de aba court yen saman no enti ontimi mba emejina da kem. So these were some of the rulings a court so eno mu na cancel for the petition that I say okay fine ye ne wo kase ya no ye ko register ho ye de application for kwakotum on the 11th February and they rule am de ba no ye pe review ye se mo san entuna so biem enhwe mu eno na mo ba ya no mo kase omo pese madam James be gina box nim no enti omo san so file biem se court nhwehwe mu biem emfa mo ana ma san so file se na omo po stay of proceedings omo pese court no ene ye san so eto so di asem no omo pese asem no ebeda asem no enna so anyina ho ana on the stay of proceedings no but enkoma ekoso nyina no go back and then me read more of the rulings course 2013 me share obia ruling no obia judgment omo de baaye we had 5-4 na course so social media, I mean, some people are asking a lot of questions. Because me read be kofo busa questions be share. Ebi busa share. Mo yese mo busa question and am da to so. Obi busa share. Adenti ana this very court and this very issue question. Anytime case ni be ba no na 9-0 and 7-0. Judge for no omu nyina adwe epe. Adenti no mu nyina adwe etimi ye pesa. These are some of the questions that kofo bi ebusa. Mo questions na mo fam buso. Ebi busa say adenti ana court no judges are what su nyina assembly be ruling dey be judgment be no omo nyina adwen yepe. But in 2013 the rulings were different. Even the final judgment it was 5-4, which was very very what crucial as a judge no obia na adwen. But that day and at this time around judgment no eba obia omo nyoma adwen ye baako. These are some of the questions other people are asking. Now Nyayeka on the truth and I don't say for the court proceedings, you say with the court, the EC chairperson cannot testify or cannot be forced to testify. But aside court, you know, the court of public opinion, you catch them and say your proceedings, your judgment, she need to tell us Guineans. Clear our minds. Send about phobia. We know say about she need either parliament, you have to invite her, or she herself have to come out and clarify things. Because baby and some econo, that is what we need to do. She has to say something. She has to come out. If the court cannot force her, or if the law cannot force her, then in her constitutional mandate, as the EC chair, she needs to explain to Guineans. She has to tell us why this confusion, why somebody has dragged her to court. Now, Magdan Ediaba, now a Guinean and a US-based person, which also the Canada at that time, I say it's always has been a unanimous decision from the beginning of this case. In the 2013 election petition case, decisions, verdicts weren't 9-0 unanimous. Do all 7 Supreme Court judges think alike on this case? So these are some of the questions. And we are all Guineans. We are all entitled to our opinions. So what Guineans are asking is that then Ekoso. Now, one thing I'm saying, Ghana, including the judiciary, the legislature, Obia Etias, and say, Yatachili or mine, or mine. Now, a man, I no. Senior Andra, ruling nearby, it's because a Canada near that they call for a case law, be the bar, say, they can't open their case, you know. Somebody will use today's decision as a case law tomorrow. It's say, yeah, Kasa, especially with the lawyers. Abonte be kasa no e say you say kasa ye kan no kasa ben baronim next week and come bi wo ha me beba ne ekosu nyina the people involved obi anu a obo case no nyame mi hu eno no because the Supreme Court is demanding from the petitioner to come and challenge what they are saying. Say if the elections, you know, Obianya 50+1 votes now, they should prove with figures or something of that nature. And they are also not bringing out, say, figures. So, another proceedings, you know, you know, because they are also relying on the first respondent. And now, the first respondent is also not responding. So, you see, the court is in a dilemma. The court today, who himself, applications, this is the second time. This is the second time. I'm going to file the first one as the state of proceedings and the same time a review of the interrogatories. This time around, there's the same two listen. It's Yabogua. Are they going to come back again with the same two things? So I'm coming away at the same. I'm coming away at the same. Monsieur Betty, will not to mention maybe 0542251311 0206884795. At the same, some of us we are confused. We don't get it because the petitioner is not making an any case in the Supreme Court in the panel. It's about the Bani Abogu, and they are not stopping the applications day in day out. They are bringing new applications. Omutugum, now what I rejected. No Matugum, no I rejected 7 times. So what is happening? The respondents are also saying we will not respond. You see, so what are you doing to the court? What are we doing to the court? You see, you can't tell the petitioner, so I will draw the case because on also say a case and our court. And they have their constitutional rights. The respondents also have legitimately their own constitutional rights. So and then they cost me. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Boko there. Me who dey pay ni nkobo. Okay, Martin, I say to me join here. Also, bet me join here. Ni edi nkomo. Na Ghana for ne kasa. Na Ghana ni bia bi won mo onim se ne Ghana emrate ene Ghana hyehyɛ tie. The most thing I Ghana han say e bia onim Article 1 Chapter 1 Article 1 of the 1992 Constitution tells us clear. Said the sovereignty of this state reside in us. Hello, good morning. Akraba ko there. Apobako. Lower TV set na yin nkomo. Akramiti o. The battle position we na onama online education sisi why? Meton kan. Adenchi nyabotre why nyabotre in as much as say ye tuja no let's do it in a professional way na bibia timi akonka Ghana na ye dia the constitution to make it clear say the sovereignty of this state reside in us, not in everybody, not in anybody. It resides in the people of Ghana. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Akraba Kodia. Okay. You need come out truth in here.
But then we are so far. I think they're moving on the I think they're on the what the electoral commission for one part in the best of for and then the only small one of the never war and whatever John Zaman Mama now we are here. After the getting the wouldn't know why the press conference, so Mama can order and look at the winning election.
Okay. Hello? Okay, Marjorie, Minuan Woman. So, mean to me for Cobia. You bet was next week. Now, near me catch the gun and Nibia and say, who will say Ghana a day year and a Ghana who are den pano, Eseumu. Ghana who are den, Eseumu. That is what our constitution says. Bibia Ghana Bia se Emranase, including everybody. The president, our court, our parliament, everybody is under the constitution. And to Ghana, me be a woman who say, Ghana who are den so. Onokura beka, and a Buama Ghana who are den. Ontro be di in Ghana, and who are den above form. Let's be very careful in this nation. Now, Nyame make the chat to say, Nia Ekosono, Yen no be observing ye. Yenshi ano kase ye, ni yenshi kwan be fasoa, Magana fan and Tuma Pefra. To everybody, to the court and everybody, Nyame can say, Ghana, and I say a share. Ghana, and say a cane, Nayama Ghana, Asumbe, Embra Ghana. Within your entry, boys from the youngest commander.